Hello and welcome to our video. Fatima the Camel and I are glad that you've joined us today. Yes, Anne and I are excited to see you here. We are doing a multiple box Monday. Oh, this is exciting. We haven't done this before. Because we have not one pink sugar box, but, help me out here, Camel. Two of them. So let's jump on in and nurture our inner child. We are nurturing our inner child because these pink sugar boxes are not the women's boxes. These are the girls' boxes. And some might say she's lost her mind. How do you lose something you never had to begin with? Good point. I've seen the girls box unboxed on some other channels and I thought they looked kind of cute, and one thing led to another, and so here we are with two of them. So let's see what they put inside and nurture that inner child. First up, we have a makeup bag. It's cute. Yes, I think it's cute and it's well made. It's a good firm fabric and the zipper works very nicely, and I think the eyes on the front are cute. My inner child is happy. We have a sugar cookie lip mask and a peppermint lip balm. We also have a tiny product that is cranberry scented. I think this is supposed to be a body scrub. A lot of these I could not find any prices or anything. There was no card in the box. I think this is supposed to be a body scrub or a lip scrub. We have some child-size press-on nails, so okay, obviously we're not going to be using these, and these will be passed along somewhere along the line to find a new home. We have some adorable earrings. And yes, I would wear some of these earrings. Nurture that inner child. And last but not least, from the first box, we have some very berry scented bubble bath. And it comes in some type of a container where you, I guess, twirl the top or twirl the bottom, and the sprinkles sprinkle out into the bath water, and you get a very berry scented bath water. I find that these types of bubble baths often make a nice foot soak, and then a little extra pedicure at the risk of TMI. So that was the first box. What was your favorite item? I'm torn between the bubble bath, the makeup bag, and maybe one of those lip masks. Moving along to the second girls box from Pink Sugar, we have another makeup bag. We have some more nails in a different design. And again, these are little girl sizes. I believe this box is designed for ages 5 to 12. We have some more fizzy bath bubbles, and this is in the scent bubblegum. Something tells me my feet's gonna be very nicely scented after soaking in this. We have another grouping of nice earrings. Yes, in as much as, yes, these are children's earrings, I like them. I will wear a good majority of them. And last but not least, we have the Pixie eyeshadow palette. It does come with a mirror. Help me out here, Fatima. Let's do this so we don't blind too many people. I have left the plastic on to cover the shades. We're not going to swatch this one. This is going to wind up in a future donation, gift, or giveaway box. And I will explain the reason behind that in a minute. I'm trying to get these up here so you can maybe see the shades. I think those are nice shades, both for a pre-teen or an adult. So getting down to the nitty-gritty of all of this, how did I wind up with 2 girls boxes from Pink Sugar? And by the way, it does come with a card. They were having a special sale over on the Pink Sugar website where you could get 2 boxes for the price of 1, or 1 box at half price. So my little brain decided, hey, just for fun, let's get a girls box and let's get the woman's box. If you haven't seen the review of my women's box, she will try to link it down below in our description box. Well, somewhere along the line, something got muddled up. And when the woman's box came, that was the only box. So after some quick discussion with customer service, and they were very responsive to my query about, well, where's the other box that I ordered? They said they would send me the girls box. So I waited about a week and there was no indication or tracking number. So messaged them again and they said, oh my goodness, well, we are pretty sure we saw it go out the door, but just in case, we'll send you another one. And if you wind up with 2, then maybe you can pass some things along. So as it would turn out, I did wind up with 2. So some of these items are going to wind up in donation boxes, and some of these items you might be seeing in a future giveaway. Oh, I like giveaways. Those are fun. So if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel so you can be part of that future giveaway. It will have some of these items. It will also have some items from other boxes that I subscribe to. So it's not going to be just children's things in case you don't feel like nurturing your inner child. I have no problem nurturing my inner child. To be exact, I think I nurture it more often than not. Hey, you gotta have fun in life. Yes, you gotta have fun in life. So hopefully that answers the question of how did I wind up with 2 girls boxes when I only wanted 1? And we thank you for watching today. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Yes, subscribe to our channel. You want to see all the crazy stuff we get into. And we are considering bringing this box, the women's version, on board as a monthly or maybe as a quarterly box. So we hope to see you again in another video. Hang on, there should be something popping up on the screen, or go down and check out my description box and enjoy, have fun, go nurture your inner child today. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.